This TikTok channel gets insane views by creating adorable animations and earns tens of thousands of dollars. Here's a similar YouTube channel featuring a chicken, which also racks up massive views. The creator of this channel earns around $70,000 per month, not even counting ad revenue, and they don't upload videos daily. There's also a similar channel featuring a cute dog. These videos are entirely AI generated, with engaging storylines and high-quality animation. Today, I'll provide a complete free course, walking you through every step, from setting up a channel to publishing and optimizing your videos. You'll learn how to create these videos and monetize them. I'll demonstrate the entire process so you can automate your content and generate a steady income. I'll even prove it using my own experience. All you have to do is follow along and replicate my actions. Let's get started. Step 1. Creating an account. First, go to TikTok and create an account. However, we'll also be posting videos on YouTube to reach a broader audience. Now let's visit the DeepSeek website, an advanced AI tool similar to ChatGPT, but in my opinion, even better. We'll use it to generate a creative nickname for our TikTok account. If you prefer, you can come up with one yourself. If you don't like the suggested name, simply type "more." And DeepSeek will generate additional options based on your channel's theme. Once you've chosen a name, copy and paste it. We'll generate a profile avatar later. For now, write a simple channel description. Something like, "The story of a cute cat," or "The adventures of your character's name." With that, our account is nearly optimized. Step 2. Generating images for animation. Next, we need images for our animation. Start by crafting an engaging story with an unexpected twist to captivate viewers. Then, ask DeepSeek to generate image prompts. Here's an example of how to write a request. Write me a prompt to create an image. A fluffy yellow-orange cat holding a stick, standing in front of a chicken. The style should be between cartoonish and realistic. DeepSeek will generate a detailed prompt in seconds. Now, let's move on to image generation. I use Kling AI, which produces excellent images and has a user-friendly interface. Simply register, go to AI Images, and if needed, navigate to the Text-to-Image section. Adjust the resolution to 9:6 and set the number of generated images. You can generate up to 4 images at a time. Some options are free. Paste your prompt, double-check it, and click Generate. The process is quick. If the result doesn't fit your story, refine your prompt or modify details. Repeat this process until you have all the images you need, typically around 10 for a short animation. Step 3. Creating smooth animations. Now, let's animate our images using Pixfirst AI, which offers high quality and smooth animations. After registering, adjust the animation settings. Set the animation duration to 5 seconds. Choose the latest model, or the second latest for good results. Write a short, clear description of the action, ending with smooth animation. Example, a cat with a stick hits a chicken. Smooth animation. Avoid long text descriptions, as they can degrade animation quality. Click Generate and wait a few seconds. If you're not satisfied, tweak the prompt and regenerate. Step 4. Editing the video. Once all animations are ready, we'll edit and compile them. But first, let's add music and sound effects. These are crucial for engagement. Use Shazam to identify background music from successful videos and download it. Find sound effects, e.g. meowing, footsteps, frying sounds, on Pixabay. Store all media files in one folder for easy access. Now, open an editing program of your choice. I use CapCut. Create a new project, import all assets, and arrange them in order. Trim animations if necessary to keep the flow smooth. Add sound effects at the right moments to enhance immersion. After finalizing your edits, export the video. Set resolution to 1080p. Choose 60 FPS for the best quality. Step 5. Publishing and monetization. Time to upload. Post your video on TikTok and YouTube Shorts for maximum reach. Add relevant hashtags like cat animation. If TikTok asks about AI-generated content, you can choose whether to disclose it. Monetization strategies. YouTube Shorts ad revenue. Earn money directly from views. TikTok monetization. Not available in all countries, but you can find guides online to enable it. Sponsorships. Brands will pay for ads once you grow an audience. This concludes my free course on automating animated content creation. If you want more exclusive tips, join my Telegram channel, where I share useful resources like prompts, effects, and sounds. Everything is free. See you there. Happy content creation and profits to all.